Context is what your agentic AI knows about you. So right now, this is the terminal that I'm using for writing code. Claude code is what I'm running. So I have already written a bunch of code, right? You need to analyze the thing called context. To do that, you need to use /context, and once you do this, it's going to give you a visualization of how your context is consumed so far. You can see here that of the 200k tokens that's available for my context of Sonnet 4.5, I have almost used 120k. So what is important here is that every single thing you have conversed with Claude Code in a session makes up context. So you can see here that messages make up almost like 103k tokens, and that is a huge amount, right? And most of these tokens is not something that I need. So every time I'm submitting a new text, it's going to be taking up all these context and feeding it to Claude. For most of the times, I don't need much of these. So just because I'm giving Claude this much information every time, it's going to be consuming a lot of my usage limit, which is what you guys see on the left hand side. So when you don't want to be doing this, you have to be constantly doing something which I call context clearing. And that is basically using /clear. And once you do this, let's try to hit context again. And you'll be seeing that our context is completely freely available. Keep clearing your context after every single task has been done. This makes sure that you don't run out of your usage really fast. There's also this thing called /compact. And the way to use compact is very diverse. You can use it to, shrink your context if you don't want to lose all your information. And you can play around with that, but I generally prefer clearing context because compact doesn't really work in the most efficient way. There are ways to do it, but maybe that's a video for a different time. For now, just remember you have to do /clear after you complete every single task, because that will greatly save you your usage limit.